Hi there, Helle-Sofia, your Danish teacher. Today I would like to let you in on a trick to say the Danish number 3, 13 and 30. They all involve the TR sound. Tr, 3, 13, 30. And for most of my students, it's the first part, the TR before the vowel. This R combined with a T. Tr. That comes first. So if you break it down into tr and then go tra, dun if it's 13, or tralve if it's 30, then you got it. The rest is practice. So don't give up, please, because it's not impossible. You just have to get used to some unfamiliar movements in your throat. Because in Danish, we don't have the r. We only have the r. And you don't have that. So that's kind of a hurdle to get the hang of that. I hope it helps. Good luck saying 3, 13 and 30. I know you can do it. Just keep it up. See you soon. Bye-bye.